sky! It's a bird! It's a plane!
I would say a show I was in, It's a Bird, It's a Plane, It's Superman, because the group was so wildly comedic.
It's a satisfying feeling when you hang up your cape to know that you've averted murder, larceny, and rape. Every man has a job to do. Well, back into the old Clark Kent disguise. I'll never stop doing good.
I'll have one thing before I die. And I'll have it by destroying the world's symbol of goodness, Superman.
Collar, pure Peoria, that hat. Oh no, I'm not Queen Victoria. This suit has to go. Still, you've got possibilities. Let us give it a try. I see possibilities, maybe more than meets the eye.
Oh, I'm not finished yet. You can giggle all you please. Soon you'll all be on your knees. Men like you will always fail. You will end in your lives in jail. But we'll try and don't forget. I'm not finished.
It was really fun to do, and I think really a fun show to present.